everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so pleased that you have joined me for a trunk club. This is a smaller trunk today, and I can't wait to see what is inside this trunk. If you are joining me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I make a video, and my videos are all about women's clothing. So if you enjoy those types of videos, you're in the right place. Let me tell you a little bit about Trunk Club. I have a referral link below in the description box, and if you use my referral link, you will get hooked up with my stylist. Her name is Lashana. She rocks. I have zero complaints about the items that she has sent me. She is fabulous as far as communication goes. I did download the Trunk Club app, so I'm able to have communication with Lashana all I want, and she's very good about responding. So if you've tried Trunk Club before and aren't satisfied with your stylist, give Lashana a try because she is great. So this trunk might be a little bit boring, and I'll tell you why. Because I am shopping for fall essentials. You've started to see that in some of my videos. I am shopping for a white dress shirt, just a button-up dress shirt, very simple, very plain, but finding the perfect one has been a challenge. So I have asked some of my stylists to hunt for that for me. She has included one of those in this trunk. I am also looking for a black pump, just a classic black pump. And I believe she's included those. And I asked her for a pencil skirt, a black pencil skirt. Is this already sounding kind of boring? Now, the pencil skirt that I requested, I told her I want just clean lines, a black pencil skirt that I can wear with a pair of black pumps or that I can wear with a pair of sneakers. You guys know what I'm talking about. Something that is very, very versatile. I don't need lace and ruffles and stuff like that on my pencil skirt. I just need something that is going to fit into my closet and be a very versatile piece, and I don't have that. And that is what she has included in this trunk, and really that's all. She sent me a preview. I declined one of the skirts, and she filled it with more of the same. So that's what we are going to be looking at today. Stick around. This might be interesting. There is a $25 styling fee with Trunk Club. This is a Nordstrom's company. If you carry a Nordstrom's credit card, your styling fee is waived. So you get your trunk like this. This is delivered UPS. Opened it the wrong way. Okay. Oh gosh, she did include 3 pairs of shoes. I looked at this box and I said, how did she fit 3 pairs of shoes in this box? And my husband said he could fit all the shoes he owned in this box. So this is what it looks like. We have a small bundle. Does it look black and white? Pretty black and white, all wrapped in plastic. And I have 3 pairs of shoes to try on. So let me get this all out of the plastic and boxes, and we'll talk about the clothes. With Trunk Club, I get an envelope that has all of my information. They include a mailing label. I will place everything that I don't want back in the same trunk, put the label right on it. They also include tape, so it's super easy. When you check out, you can schedule a UPS pickup, but I normally just drop it off at the UPS store. I also just found out a few months ago you can drop it off at any Nordstrom, so if you want to do that, that's dangerous for me. But then I get a price list from my stylist, and this time my stylist wrote a note, and I'll share it with you because you know what I'm searching for. She says, "Hi Kelly, found shoes, so didn't see many white button downs. We'll show you this one because it has a smart design. There are zippers on the sides to allow for a more comfortable fit. It also doesn't have a button across the bust. No gapping. Happy to keep an eye out for black pencil skirts and more white button downs for you," from Lashana. So I really appreciate that she listens to my feedback and she really tries to deliver on the items that I am shopping for. I have tried everything on, and I will share the try on with you as I talk about the clothes. And warning, I like everything, so I really could use your help on this one. Almost everything worked for me. So there's 8 items in this trunk, and I could keep them all. I could safely keep everything in this trunk, and it will really work in my wardrobe. The first thing, I didn't ask for this, but the first thing she sent was this little t-shirt. This is a BP t-shirt. It's just a gray heather t-shirt with the ruffled sleeves, and it has ribbing. You can see that. This is just a fabulous little t-shirt. I saw it in the preview. I thought, go ahead and send it, because she was only sending one white blouse other than this, and she knew I was looking for skirts to wear with t-shirts or a very casual vibe, and she sent this along, and I love this. One of the reasons I really like this is because I do think it pairs very well with the skirts, and I think it looks almost sweater-like, although this is a cotton polyester blend. I love BP brand. The t-shirts I have by BP, they wash and wear very, very well. So this is the t-shirt. This is $25, this t-shirt with its cute little sleeves. It's gonna be mine. Don't you think it should be mine? Next up is this blouse by Boss. This is the Bashina Stretch Poplin blouse. The price on this is $195. That seems very, very expensive. This blouse is amazing. Now, it needs a good steam, and I do not steam any clothing. I don't iron any clothing until I decide to purchase this, but I can, in my mind's eye, see this top with a good iron on it. And the good news about this is a dry clean, or you can machine wash this top. So it is predominantly cotton. It does have some spandex in it. You heard what she said in the note, that this is not an actual button down, but it has that appearance of a button down. And we do have a button at the very top of the shirt. So if you wanted to wear it that way, you could, but I like how it opens up that V. We have all this seaming on the bust line and the darts for the perfect fit. And these zippers are amazing. Very easy to get in and out of, because you just unzip it all the way, put it over your head, even with a face full of makeup, and it doesn't come off on the blouse. But then when you zip these up, it just creates the perfect shape. $195. I love this blouse. I think it's perfect. It's very pricey. It's an investment piece. I think I want this blouse. Let me know what you think about this blouse. You'll see it throughout the try-on. I did try on every skirt with both blouses because I wanted to see how the skirts work. Dressed up, dressed down. I think I got lucky with the skirts. The first skirt, this skirt is by Gibson. This is a side stripe knit midi skirt by Gibson in black. This is $60, and this is a knit material. Now, this is how well my stylist knows me. I asked for black pencil skirts, but I love this detail. Now, I thought this detail was really going to make it a very casual looking skirt, but you see it in the try-on. I tried it on with heels and the white blouse as well, and I thought it worked. I thought it worked nicely, and of course, it looks great with my red chucks. This is just a really simple skirt, but I think it is so versatile. I do try to dress it up. I think I'm kind of stuck to this color palette here, but I do think with a white blouse and a blazer that this will really dress up nicely. So I like this one an awful lot. Next up is an all black midi skirt by Stateside. This is a stretch cotton midi skirt by Stateside. This is $94. This is the longest skirt, and I like this too. Now, this is a really thin jersey fabric. And there wasn't a lot of support. There is some spandex in here, so it's very stretchy, but it didn't hold me in at all. This is in a size medium. I'm afraid that the fabric is a little bit thin on this. If I tried to go to a smaller size, it might show every bump, but I wasn't real crazy about this one when I dressed it up with heels and the dress top. When I put it on with tennis shoes, I think this one is adorable. Now, this one's $95. This is Stateside, $95. So this is kind of pricey, especially for just a kick-around skirt if I plan to wear this with tennis shoes. So I have to think about this one, but I did like it. Okay, this one is by Halogen. This is the textured Ponte pencil skirt, and this is in a navy blue fabric. Can you see those buttons? We have the button detail down the front, or just a little ways down the front. And there is a hidden zipper and a hook and eye in the back. And this skirt is only $59. So this is the best bargain on the skirt. I also think it feels like the best fabric. I wish this one was in black. Now, what did you think? Dressed up, dressed down? You guys are gonna have to let me know about this one. This one has the kick pleat in the back, and it looks a little bit dressier. I don't know how it looks when I dress it down, but I like this. This would be the perfect skirt if I could get this one in black. But one of the things I really appreciate about everything in this trunk, it is very easy to mix and match the items I receive. Let's talk about shoes. The first pair of shoes are by Rockport, and you saw them. I wore them throughout the try-on, but I'll give you a close-up as well. These are called the Total Motion Violina Luxe Pointy Toe Pump. These are $129.94. So $130. You guys, these are super, super comfortable. I mean, like, you could go shopping all day in these. You could work standing up on your feet all day. You could probably run if you needed to get your cardio in these shoes. That is how comfortable they are. They look like a work shoe to me. That's what they remind me of. I don't think they look like, this is terrible. I just don't think, they're not pretty enough. And I was hoping for something a little bit prettier, and although these are super comfortable and they're Rockport, I don't think these are the shoes for me. And this is the one I'm sad about sending back. Next up, I have the Sam Edelmans, and these are the Hazel Pointy Toe Pumps in black. These are $119.95. So for $120. Now, these are super comfortable. I know they look a lot like a pump that I tried on from my Amazon Prime wardrobe, but these are much more comfortable. It has to do with the leather. All of the shoes that I'm trying today are leather, but some leather is softer than others. But this is very soft and yet structured, and we do have the 4-inch heel, so that is kind of what I'm looking for, that stiletto look, just the classic. You can see this teeny tiny little Sam Edelman logo there, and the logo is also on the back of the shoe. So many just beautiful details in this shoe, and it's very simple, but you know what? This is a brand that really works for me. I have to say that I do own a lot of Sam Edelman, and part of it is because he makes beautiful shoes that are very easy for me to wear. I know some people can't wear them, but I think once you find your designer, it's just easier to stick with them. I know this shoe will work for me, and it's the best price shoe in this trunk. So yeah, I think these are staying. You guys like these? Aren't they beautiful? These shoes are by Vanelli. Can you see that brand in there? These shoes are by Vanelli, and these are called the Rema Broken Heel Pump. And they have that rounded heel. I don't know why they call them broken, but that rounded heel that I like. These remind me a lot of the Lathe Nick pumps that I bought at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They're super comfortable, but I mean, look at that heel, how big that heel is. And so it does have a rubber sole, so it has some nice grip on it, and a cute little pointy toe. Okay. The reason I love these shoes is because of the patent leather. I have never met a pair of patent leather shoes I don't like. I put them on my feet, and I love them, and I like this interesting heel. Again, this reminds me a lot of a shoe I just purchased. These are very, very comfortable. That's about a 3-inch heel, I think, on them. So I think these are super dressy looking, but of course I would wear them with denims. These are $129.95, and I love them. Now, what I would love is these in patent leather, but oh, I like these. I don't know. I don't know if I should keep these as well. I have recently purchased 2 pair of black pumps, not the classic style like this. I need to get my classic style and move on. Start looking for winter boots. But I can't wait to hear your thoughts about this trunk. I would like to keep everything, but I can't. My budget isn't that big. Luckily for me, I am able to pick up a couple things from every trunk that I receive, and I have a lot of good selections here today. So I can't wait to hear what you think about the items I received. Thank you so much for sticking around just to see some basic wardrobe essentials that my trunk club stylist sent to me. And you know what? Without those essentials, we really can't put outfits together. So this is, although I say it's boring, it's a lot of fun because I can't wait to wear these out. I'm ready to put together an outfit and have my husband take me out. And maybe this would be for like date night next week. I don't know. I have a stitch fix up for you next, so be on the lookout for that. Could you give this video a thumbs up? I would really appreciate it. Thank you all for all your support. Until we meet again, blessings to you.